what's in my Charlotte Tilbury stocking? Stay tuned to see. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. This little guy is Bandit, and Chloe's just hanging out. And if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Stocking Mystery Bundle. And so they send you the stocking, and then they send you the box. And these are very nice boxes. Like, they have a nice magnetic closure. They're nicely wrapped. Here's a little sneak peek inside. All right, we got a lot to unwrap in here. So I did get another one of the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, and these are, again, these are a half of a fluid ounce. We have a, what is this? A refill of the Dance Floor Princess, I'm guessing lipstick. So maybe I want to come, this looks like what it might go into. This is the Hot Lips Refillable Rechargeable. And oh, this is in Red Hot Susan. That is definitely all red. Now the refill, I think I would like that much better. Yes, that I really like. That's a pretty color. Next, it looks like they have a collaboration with Disney. This is the Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter, and this is in Spotlight, and it's got a little Tinkerbell on it. And you're going to turn it to open it up. So there it is on there, and there it is on my hand. And then you're going to want to blend that in. There we go. We have the Magic Hydration Revival Cleanser. And then we have two types of palettes in here. And this is the Pillow Talk Dream Luxury Palette. And it looks like those are the colors. All right, absolutely lovely. Let's take a little swatch. All right, there we go. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we have the Blush and Glow Glide Palette. Absolutely stunning. So love this. Again, the red lipstick I probably won't use. I'll probably let my mom use that and then put the refill in. I could figure out some way to get the red out, refill in. That's probably what I would actually do. All right. Well, what was your favorite item? Gosh, I don't know. They're all so great. I love everything in here. It'd be very hard to pick a favorite. But let me know if you could pick one. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully we'll see you soon.